Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today we will review another website, that is jalifestyle.com. In this video we will check out the details of this jalifestyle.com, and by the end of the video we will check out either it's a legit or a scam website. So let's begin with our video. jalifestyle.com is a website that is helping people to gain financial freedom. This website has many members that are working day and night to add more members to make it better place and financial profitable place. jalifestyle.com is popular across many countries. The community and other members are indulged in making it smooth for everyone to earn money and get maximum profit from it. So you can check their official website. You can get more information about their prices. We will discuss their features and services. The website actually possesses many features which are possessed by this website and ensure the benefit of the users. Like for example, they offer chain membership. Moreover, working hard to provide people financial freedom through part-time work. They are working on a pyramid or a chain to bring so many people together, and they have the best prices of the memberships. And we check out the reviews of the customer about jalifestyle.com. We came to know that, as we all know, they are working on pyramid scheme or artificial marketing. We can join multiple people on this website and ask them to join more people, and there is a cost you will get in return, like you will be charged for getting membership of their website. The website does not have any available review because it is quite new in the market, but there are verified customers and users who are part of this website as a member and working hard to promote the pyramid to reach the success. Moreover, if you want to be a part of such company and want to get long investment, you can go to the website jalifestyle.com and you can get the membership on this website. And the final verdict, as we have analyzed everything about the website, we can say that you can try this website if you are interested in how they provide financial freedom to people. Moreover, do not forget to check everything on your own to sure about this website so that you will be safe from any financial fraud and personal fraud.